All right, what's going on, guys? So yeah, phase 16 on getting this old red pickup truck to hook up. So Cody came over, what was it, yesterday sometime? No, day before that. Yeah, day before that, regardless. And he helped me set up the Caltrack bars and went for a quick rip. So we'll show that footage right like now.
The top hitting the leaf, that's just they're not set up right. See, Bobby.
We'll make a second gear hit.
You're supposed to go against with the driver in the car and then 2 turns against.
Let's roll into it. That was like, I wasn't full throttle the whole time because I was seeing, like, the converter seemed to hold that time. Yeah. Not bad. But like even just hitting it. It just cooks. Like crazy. Not even fast, it's just spinning tires. Like, now that's nice and hot. Do a little launch. Because I like playing around. And I'll show you 2-step.
I like 2-step. I'm like looking in the mirror the whole time, not even worried.
Yeah. What was it?
Fuck, that's stiff.
Is that sketch or what, eh?
That's good.
Look, you can still see them in the mirror. That's when you know you do a good burnout.
You just gave me rid of these tubers for the Nittos.
Yeah. I'm hoping the Nitto's hook.
At least a little bit better.
It'd be a really neat feature. Anyways, back to it. Okay, so it was still spinning. As you can see in the video, it was spinning like crazy. Now it was a lot better, don't get me wrong. Like, we did a couple runs back and forth. A lot better once we got the bars set up properly. Something I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you noticed, I mentioned that the bars were not in the right spot. So my Caltrack bars were not in the right spot. I had one up and one down. It was all silly and stupid. So it was kind of an installation error, which, you know, makes sense because it's me. The bars were like put in properly, but how I had the cups, I guess we're gonna call them cups, the cup part of the Caltrack bars, which gets bolted on with the U-joint. Here, I'll show you. Or the U-joint U-bolts, not U-joint, U-bolts. Right down here. So how I had it mounted here was like slightly off this way. One was slightly forward, one was slightly back. So I ended up loosening these off and adjusting them. So now, I don't know if you can see, it sits nice and level. You can see both bars, nice and level to the ground. That's pretty much how you want them. And we set preload, which I didn't really know how to do. So thanks, Cody. You definitely helped me there. Hey, what? Because I didn't know what I was doing, and he's had them before, and he set them up before. So, on to the next thing. At least the next upgrade. Well, tires. The tires not so good, right? You know, like they do amazing burnouts, but they don't hook. So I ended up picking up a set of Nittos for it. So these are Nitto, what are they? 555RIIs. They're a very, very sticky tire. I don't know if you can see here. Not much tread depth. I think they're about 4 to 5 mil tread depth, but they got these new stripes down here for more gription, and it's all about the gription. So I'm putting those on right now. I would have filmed a little bit more of it, but GoPro died. GoPro always dies. Here's the other one here. Looks sweet. I'm gonna get them on real soon. Somebody's randomly yelling in the background. But other thing, update kind of sorta ish on the Impala. the ball Impala, the big potato. I am taking the Cooper Cobras, as you can see here. Cooper Cobras off of this, and I got a set of, what do they call it? Corvette Rallies, kind of, sort of. There, I guess they're Corvette Rallies. They're only a 7-inch wide rim, and I put the Cooper Cobras in the back, and then I had some small tires sitting here. So, that's kind of cool. Got another set, even though the rims are pretty much screwed. But it's still better than what I was dealing with before. So, let's get these rims and tires on and see how it looks just sitting on the ground. Not the Impala, maybe the Impala a little bit, but the race truck. Let's see how these Nittos look. Alrighty guys, and they're on. Look at that. Hey look, beef. Super beefy. Look at that, even the wheel well's like perfect. And no, they're not wider. They just look it. A shot of the whole truck. Definitely looks sweet. Definitely sweet looking. Alrighty guys, so now the tires are on the race truck. Well, might as well try and put the tires on this thing. Pumpity, 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 pumpity. Oh yeah! Fires up! Even kind of sounds sick. Even though it's, you know, clearly not running right. Not too shabby. Okay, now let's sketchily move it over in front of the barn because still has no brakes. Good luck to me. Well, it wasn't as dramatic as I thought. Sounds sick though, doesn't that? Just want to do a little before and after. So that's what it looks like right now. And let's be honest, those rims look terrible. So let's get them swapped over. Alrighty guys, there it is. Okay, the front end's sitting a little bit high because I could probably jounce it and it'll come down a bit. But dude, look at that. Look, it's not even complete garbage. It almost looks like a cool muscle car now with some nicer meats on the back. And you know what? I'm really surprised that those freaking tires fit under there. But they do. Look at that. Muscle car stance life. Sweet. Start it up. Get that full effect. Oh, okay. Well, you know. Oh yeah. She's just figuring herself out, you know? Guys, well, that's gonna do it for this episode. I just wanted to kind of stop and say thanks to you guys. We hit 100. I'm a little late on the saying thanks, but that's fine. Just want to stop and say thanks, because really want to get this YouTube channel going, and obviously we're having tons of fun doing it, and I would be doing this regardless, but I really like to see other people coming along for the ride and enjoying it. So anyways, like, subscribe, you know, do all that good stuff. See ya.